low sperm count and cure or treatment. Do not skip any part of this video, especially if you're watching it to prevent low sperm count in the future if you don't have it, or you're watching it to be able to cure or know what to do for your husband or for yourself. Don't skip. You can be playing, you can be washing plates or doing anything as you're watching, because it's going to be long. Obviously it is going to be long, because I'm going to be giving you more than 20 reasons of low sperm count, because I'm going to be giving you the medical causes of low sperm count, lifestyle, what you do, your lifestyle can cause low sperm count for you, and then the environmental causes of low sperm count. Please, again, don't skip. My name is Nurse Merit and I'm a nephrology nurse. Please, if this is your first time here, just subscribe to the page. Don't worry, I do both men and women and general health. Okay, all you need to do is just go to the playlist, locate what the videos. For instance, if you're a woman, you locate women's playlist. If you want to treat infection, you will see how to treat infection playlist. Just locate men, the same thing. If you have diabetes, high BP, heart, how to take everything, you just locate the one that concerns you. Sorry about that. So let's start. What is low sperm count? Now, a man is considered to have low sperm count in his semen when it is less than 15 million per millimeter. Okay, yeah, you will actually know this when you go for semen analysis. Okay, so for the purpose of this video is to know the causes of this, and then which will now lead us to the cure. Okay, and also for those that doesn't have these issues yet, so they don't have it in the future, especially if you are a man. Number one cause of low sperm count, I'm going to give you medical and the way I explained it. So now we're dealing with medical cause of low sperm count. Number one, there is a condition called varicocele. This is an enlargement of your the vein that supplies the testicle. When it enlarges or bulges out, it is the easiest way to, it is one of the easiest way to cause infertility, and also the easiest way, very easy to resolve, very easy to resolve. So if you see that the vein, that those veins, it starts swelling at any point, all you need to do is to go to the hospital early, and they will find out, know what to do to you. Number two is infection. For instance, gonorrhea, HIV can cause, yes, HIV can cause low sperm count. Orchitis, chlamydia, when left untreated. Please, if you have HIV, I have a video on how you can live well with HIV, have your kids without infecting your partners, and how to live your life so that you don't come down with illnesses, especially chronic kidney failure. Please locate that video here on men's health or general health playlist, or you can just search all through the videos. You will see the video. Make sure you watch it. Okay, so leaving gonorrhea and some other sexually transmitted infection untreated will land you to low sperm count. Apart from that, it can even cause permanent infertility. If you're trying to treat infection, I have a video on how to treat sexually transmitted infection. It's two: how to treat sexually transmitted infection and how to treat sexually transmitted infection so they don't come back again. Please make sure you locate that video. Treat your infections, please. Now, the next one is number three, is ejaculate problems. Most people have what is called retrograde ejaculation, where when you ejaculate, instead of your semen and sperm to come out from the normal place, it goes inside your bladder. Now, this is a problem. It causes semen, low sperm count. Some people also have issues with their bladder, their prostate. Okay, inflammation of your prostate, prostatitis, prostate cancer. These also make you have low sperm count, and can be dealt with also in the part of ejaculate problems. Now, the next one is antibodies attacking your sperm. I made this video on the causes of watery sperm. I think is the video before this one, causes of watery sperm and sperm leakage for women having this. Please locate that video, sperm leakage, watery sperm. When you sleep with a woman, she stands up and there's, what does this mean? And watery sperm, locate it. So antibodies attacking your sperm, happens when you lack especially when you lack vitamin zinc deficiency. Okay, so when your antibodies attack your sperm, this is a part causes low sperm count. They see your sperm as an foreign object. They see it as something trying to destroy your organs, and they attack it, not knowing that it's also healthy. Now, one of the ways to remove this is zinc, taking zinc. Let it be prescribed, please. The next one is what is called undescended testes. Now, when a woman gives birth, okay, the baby is, you have two balls, you have two testes, right? Some have one, some three, depends. So when a woman gives birth, a boy, the boy testes is usually in the stomach. Then later they descend and come down to the scrotal sac. So some babies that have undescended testes can have low sperm count later in life. Now the next one is what is called hormonal imbalance. Like I said, I told you guys that not only women have hormonal imbalance, men too have hormonal imbalance, right? So the part of the brain that produces the hormones that supplies your testes, that supplies your egg, is hypothalamus. So if there's issues there, okay, it can't supply the amount that is needed, or there's some alteration in your thyroid gland or any other thing, it can lead to low sperm count. So hormonal imbalance is that. Now the next one is what is called chromosomal defect. For instance, there are some, normally a man is supposed to have what is called X and Y chromosome, while a woman has XS. So there are some men, when they have the chromosome of XS and then Y, instead of X and Y, they will now have 2X and 1Y. These can lead to low sperm count. Very important. The most important one is some certain medications. I wish I can't say this, but I have to say this, like BP medications, for instance. Okay, some steroid medications, some, in the case of people that had organ transplants, for example, kidney transplants, and all of those things, and some antifungal medications, some antibiotics and some anti-cancer drugs can make you have low sperm count. So if you're taking these drugs and you're experiencing this, please don't stop them without meeting your doctor. Let your doctor know, so they know what to do, either to exchange it or hold on when you're done taking them, or give you another drug. Please, I forgot to mention, please, on no account should you take testosterone on your own. I beg you. I will discuss that on the cure for low sperm count. Okay, I will discuss that on the cure for low sperm count. So the next one thing that can cause this is some illnesses. For instance, chronic kidney failure, cancer, HIV, some chronic illnesses, diabetes. This, however, can be resolved. Okay, if you're experiencing low libido during these illnesses, all you need to do is let the doctor managing you aware, and they will know what to do. Now the next thing on the causes of this, I'm done with the medical causes. Now let's get to environmental causes. Environmental causes means things that are in your environment that can make you have low sperm count. Yes. Number one, industrial material exposure, industrial chemical exposure. For instance, pesticides. Okay, some painting materials, people that inhale paint. If you're painting, please make sure you cover your nose. These are chemical. Leads, all these people that fix the zinc, all those asbestos. Yes, please try to cover your nose. This can affect your sperm count. The very important one is exposure to radiation or x-rays. Okay, high exposure to, maybe you went to do some tests or some any way that you take radiation or high radiation, or high UV rays like the sun, this can reduce your sperm count. Now, very important one is overheating the testicles. How do you do this? People that go to saunas, this heating room, people that keep their laptop on their in between their thighs, people that work all the time, you're always working, excuse me, and at that point you keep your laptop in between your thighs, before you know it, hours is on, it's hot. So this can affect your sperm count. Okay, so please be very careful. And using hot tops, all these things that women do, you think you can do it, please, you're a man, we are women. Okay, please be careful. Now, the next one on causes of sperm count is your lifestyle. Low sperm count, your lifestyle. This should have been the first, but let me, number one, excessive weight gain. Yes, gaining weight excessively can affect your sperm count and also your libido. If you're having low libido, please, I have a video on low libido in men and cure causes. It's actually two, so when you watch one, please locate the second one and watch. You might find the one that is most interesting. Okay, there are some kind of jobs that can make your sperm count low. For instance, welding jobs, truck jobs, people that stay long hours driving. Okay, you're sitting in something that is hot, and people that are exposed to this radiation, people that work in painting factories and asbestos, all of these are the work hazards associated with this. Now, the next one, very important, is tobacco smoking. Cigarettes, I have a video on that, okay, on my TikTok, not on my YouTube. Please follow my TikTok, you will learn it. I have more videos there than here. Tobacco smoking, yeah, this can, or smoking, anything smoking can affect your sperm count and also affect your libido as a man, because like I explained to you before, for you to be able to have erection, there's supposed to be a heavy blood supply to your penis. So when you start smoking, over time, those blood vessels from here, it starts going down, slimming down. Okay, and as it happens like this, it makes supplying of blood flow there very hard, and this can even make you not to have erection fast. Sometimes you even lose erection or you ejaculate quickly, and then it will also cause low sperm counts. Please stop smoking if you're smoking, I beg you. It can also cause high blood pressure for you over time. Okay, now the next one is depression. Being depressed psychologically can negatively affect your sperm. Okay, the next one is, drug use. For people that use, I have a video on tramadol. Please watch that video. Tramadol, whatever you do, watch that video on tramadol. So drug use, cocaine use, tobacco use, all of these illicit drugs, make sure you watch them. Marijuana, they affect your sperm. Make sure you stop them, they affect your sperm count. Now, alcohol use, taking alcohol decreases your testosterone level. Remember, do not take testosterone on your own, it will even reduce your sperm count. We will talk about that on the cure. Okay, now in the prevention, manage your stress, avoid heat, don't smoke, abstain from alcohol. From all these things I've said, you should know what to do if you don't have it, so that you don't have it. You should know. Let not prolong the video. So obviously this video is long enough. On my next video, I'll be talking about how to cure for low sperm count. Please like this video. If you like it, it will help YouTube to send it to more people and to other people to watch if it has more likes. Let me know if you have more questions, and expect the next video on cure and management for low sperm count. You can chat me on all my social media and follow me there. Have a wonderful day. If you have issues with your ovulation, getting pregnant, I have some videos there. High blood pressure, diabetes, everything, CKD, just browsing on my videos. You will enjoy them.